Welcome to the future of industry. JP Tech, where mechanical excellence meets digital intelligence. Machine downtime, high energy consumption, and fragmented information can reduce plant efficiency. JP Tech develops software and automation solutions to collect, analyze, and leverage machine data. Full interconnectivity and continuous monitoring for a factory that is always connected, transparent, and under control. Every piece of collected data is analyzed and transformed into strategic value, optimizing every stage of your production process. We ensure complete data traceability. The system records production data, energy consumption, alarms, and downtime, making information available for each machine, work shift, or entire production cycle. Energy savings and waste reduction. At JP Tech, sustainability goes hand in hand with efficiency. Predictive maintenance. The system compares current values with the machine's historical data and detects abnormal parameter variations. Artificial intelligence detects anomalies and optimizes parameters in real time, delivering unprecedented performance. The platform can be tailored to the machine's characteristics and to the information that is truly valuable to the customer. JP Tech combines machine expertise, automation, software, and technical support to create solutions that are truly effective in real-world production environments. Greater control, lower energy consumption, higher productivity. JP Tech, the intelligence driving production forward.